We got the best 2 deals at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can make more to review videos, so you guys won't miss any of the holiday deals, Black Friday deals that are coming up. Got some killer deals coming up. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. This is a short video because we're just about to hit the holiday, like I said, Black Friday holiday deals, so stay tuned for those. Alright, so you got your choice here for $99. This is a dual voltage charger. This is a 40 volt, 18 volt charger. This is how the section looks as of now. Not really the holiday section. It's just what they have off on the store. They got the torque locking pliers, 1997, a 2-pack, and they got some headlamps, 200 lumen, 1597. So not too bad. Not the best quality, but they're okay. You got some tape measures here, 12 foot reach for $16.97. A screwdriver, 4-piece precision. These are really nice screwdrivers, $14.97. So definitely check those out. They're labeled with different colors, so you guys know what's up. You got this rechargeable light. This is a really nice folding light, $79.99. And then you got the buy one get one free. So you basically buy that starter, get a free light. Definitely the rubber lights are pretty nice. You got a 30-foot compact tape measure for $19.97, and then you got a buy one get one free from this impact wrench. 3/8 with friction ring, $229. Get a free set of 3/8 drive socket. Impact rated socket. You got a 3-pack of folding utility knives. You got a respirator for $142. And then this is the 3/8 actually that's the 1/2 inch drive sockets. Alright, we got the buy one get one free. New deals, new pricing for this hack. It's down to $199. That's a killer deal. Basically, the tools are $99. You guys do the hack. Same thing with these, buy one get one free. The $249 kits and get a free battery. So any of those kits, they do qualify for a free gift with purchase. Same thing with these, the $229, the impact wrenches and the lights there. Alright, so you got some reciprocating saw. This is a 5-piece 9-inch. You got different one torch. And then this is something that catch my attention. This is the magnetic bin. It is compatible with the pack out. So it's a pretty nice little bin there for $14.98. It is magnetic, so it's gonna hold all your bits there while you take everything apart. Compatible with your pack out. And then you got these impact duty bits. You got some drilling bits to the left, some 2-inch bits, some nut drivers there to the left, and then a socket adapter. And then you got this recovery strap, $24.98. It seems like it's actually cheaper. If you guys lift the paper, it's $12.98. My guess is this price is going to be on the holiday season, so be on the lookout for that holiday pricing. $19.97 for the 50-piece. And I heard rumors. I don't know if you guys seen my leaked videos or leaked images from the Black Friday deals. I heard that they're gonna be dropping on the 23rd of this month. We'll still have to find out. And then we got the buy one get one free on these too. So you get the 4-inch straight hook. That's what you get for free with the purchase of any of those. And you got the 2-piece groove joint pliers for $21.97. And the 3-piece high leverage pliers for $29.97. So pretty good deals on these. 12-inch and 10-inch. So basically $10 a piece. And then you got the build out your own storage. So you buy $400 or more, save $120, spend $300, and so forth. And then you got the framing nailer down to $225. This is the clearance section, down from $299. You got the radio there, or the Bluetooth speaker, for $128. And then you got this Sawhorse one Tough Build, $64.98. Not too bad. And then $64.98 for this one, for this tote. Alright, over here we got a drill for $119, was $149, and then you got an impact driver for $109. And then you got then the neighbor's cutting some wood, so do apologize for the sound. You got this crown stapler, or the 23 gauge nailer, and then impact driver, drill driver for 136. These are Ryobi starter kits, $79.99. I looked at them online. And then we got some other starter kits there with the 4 amp hour high output battery for $19. Or $99. Why is it $99? You got this for 80 bucks, and you got another one here for 87.93. I don't know if it's the same one. You guys do have, there's different tags. I mean, there's a whole bunch of tags for these. This one's 69.97, down from 99. And guys, make sure you guys double check on these, because these are gonna be dropping even lower. I remember last year we got some for like 15 or 20 bucks. It not last year, it was like 2 years ago. It was just crazy. And then, like I said, there's different ones, different styles, and different gauges, sizes. This one's 60 bucks, down from 63. Make sure you guys double check up on all those. And then same thing with these. These are backpacks made from recycled plastic bottles from Igloo. Really nice. Really nice for the 12 pack there. You got evergreen backpack cooler for 30 bucks, down from 60. And then if you guys need something bigger, if it's going to be more than a 12 pack, this is going to be a 52 quart for $69.98. Not too bad, pretty good. Does have some cup holders on the top. That's it for today. Just a short video, guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.